Welcome back to Supra Sunday. Today, we're gonna go from this to this. This thing's a piece. All right, so today we're gonna strip out all of our body panels because this thing needs to get over to powder coat so it can be blasted and primer coated so that it can get to our body shop. So with myself and my buddy Steve,
dude, is this a Supra?
Yeah, it's a Supra. We're gonna rip this thing apart so we can get it off to blasting.
Hey.
Yeah.
Just want to let you know.
Yeah.
Break your heart, I'll break your neck.
You don't even have a daughter.
Okay. Nice.
Where'd that come from?
Dude online. I'll have to link his YouTube. He has his own YouTube. He does like tons of these signs. I'll have to link it, but that's gonna look sick on the wall. Thanks, bro.
Hey, Eric, what do you think of the sign?
It looks freaking good, dude. Freaking nice, bro. It looks freaking awesome. I can't wait to hang it and drink my nice by it. So next episode we'll be doing some glass removal, we'll remove some of the wire harnesses, engine bay stuff, and that's it. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.